Hey, MTS crew, what is going on? Y'all, I'm making some old fashioned Southern style potato salad the way my mother used to make it. These are big chunks of potatoes because this is going to be a mustard chunky potato salad, and I am using Dijon mustard, mayo, pimentos, chopped up celery, chopped up bell pepper, and onions. And when I'm doing my potato salad, I chop everything up extra fine. I'm using sweet relish, and we're gonna go ahead and get this potato salad ready. And oh, I put my potatoes in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes after cooking and cooling down. You can work with those potatoes a lot better. I have my eggs here. They've already been boiled. So I'm going to use my meat cutter to kind of get these eggs cut up. Now, I usually use a grater to grate my eggs because when you grate your eggs, it adds more volume to your potato salad, especially if you are cooking potato salad for a lot of people like I am. I'm making this potato salad for my family. They're going to come get it and take it home. You know, I'm always sharing. So I just use my meat cutter, and it kind of gives me the same volume as it does when I grate it. So this was a little bit faster. So here my eggs are. And sometimes I use up to 10 eggs in my potato salad. It all depends on y'all how much salad I am making. Now I'm adding my eggs. I'm gonna add my celery, my bell pepper, and my onions to this. Now, when I get ready to add my mayo and my mustard, I'm not going to add it directly to this potato salad. I'm going to make a sauce, and I love making my sauce and adding my sauce in with these ingredients and mixing it all up together. So my sauce, I'm going to add a half a cup of mayo. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I'm going to use a tablespoon of vinegar, and I'm going to use a little pepper in this, and I'm going to mix this all up, and I'm going to pour these ingredients over this potato salad. So here I go, y'all, getting ready to make my sauce to go over my potato salad. And I love doing it this way because you kind of have more control over, how your sauce is going to taste, and how much you want to use. And you don't want to I don't like a really wet potato salad to where your sauce is running and your potatoes are kind of sitting in a wetty mayonnaise sauce. No. So here I go with my Dijon mustard. I love using Dijon mustard. Now, if you want this sauce a little bit sweeter, you can add a little sugar to it. I'm not going to add sugar, but this is the reason why I love using Miracle Whip, because it has that extra sweetness to it. So I'm going to add my black pepper, and I'm going to get this mixed up. And don't forget to add, you can use lemon juice or you can use vinegar. I'm going to use a little vinegar, and I'm going to get this all mixed up, and this is going over my salad. I'm going to mix this up. Oh, I'm using parsley flakes too, y'all, about 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes in this sauce, and I'm going to pour this over the salad, get it mixed up, and put it in the container that I'm going to serve out of. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and let it sit there for a while, because like I say, I am going to divide this, and I'm going to give some to my daughter. But I wanted to go ahead and get this cold, get it made and get it in the refrigerator so it'll be cold. Now, if you don't want so many chunk potatoes, just take that meat cutter and just kind of cut down in your potato salad, and that'll cut up some of the chunky potatoes. But this is a chunky red potato salad, and this is what I like. This is how my mother used to make our potato salad, and this potato salad is absolutely delicious. These are my ingredients for my southern style potato salad, the way my mother used to make it. Y'all be good to yourself. And if you be good to yourself, you have no other choice but to be good to others. And God, we thank you for the provisions that you have given me to make this potato salad. God, we're not going to forget to thank you for everything that you do for us in Jesus' name. So y'all enjoy this recipe and tell me down below how you make your potato salad. And God bless you. God keep you.